Grani. Grani is the Jamaican word of the week for the week of December 3 to December 9, 2023. In the Jamaican language, grani is used as a noun with 4 separate meanings. Meaning 1, the mother of a person's parent. Example, him granny love him off so till. Meaning 2, a respectful term of address for a woman much older than the speaker. Example, Granny, let me help you carry the bag there. Meaning 3, the child of one's son or daughter. Example, my daughter and my granny them a come visit me this week. Meaning 4, the father of a person's mother or father. Example, my granny help me build the house where me live in now. If you would like to receive the word of the week, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will get notified when we post a new word.